Welcome to Section 3, Area of a Parallelogram. In this lesson, we'll be looking at rectangles and its area. So what is area? Area is a measure of space inside a region. So let's have a look. So if I were to shade in this rectangle, how much did I shade? That would be the area. We could also look at area as how many square units it takes to cover a region. So let's remember, for a rectangle, the area is length times width, where this is the length and this is the width. So let's practice this now with some examples. Calculate the area of this rectangle. Well, we'll start by writing out the formula. Area is length times width. The length and width being 12 and 5, we can multiply them together to give us 60. Now, if you remember, the units for area are always squared. So in this example, we'd have 60 millimeters squared. Now, there's a couple important facts about area I want to go over. First of all, the area of a figure will be the same even if the orientation changes. So let's have a look. So if I take this rectangle that has dimensions of 6 centimeters by 3 centimeters, and I calculate the area by multiplying these dimensions together, I get 18 square centimeters as the area. Now if I were to tip that this way, the area is still going to be 18 when I multiply 3 and 6 together. Now, even if I change the orientation to be on this diagonal here, the area is still going to be 18 square centimeters. So no matter which way I change my rectangle, I will always have the same area. It always covers the same amount of space. Now that's true not only for rectangles, but for other shapes as well. Now, another important fact about area is that the area of a figure will be the same even if it's broken into smaller pieces and rearranged. Let's have a look. Here I have a rectangle that's 4 units by 6 units. If I multiply them together, I get an area of 24, or even if I counted the blocks, you can see there's 24 blocks there. Then I'm going to break this rectangle into smaller pieces and rearrange it into another rectangle, and then find the area. So let's have a look. 4 and 6 gives me 24 square units. Breaking this apart and rearranging it into this rectangle that's now 2 by 12. That's also 24 square units. And I'm going to rearrange it yet again to be 3 by 8, which is also 24 square units. So that's another important fact about area. If you take a shape and break it apart and create another shape, the area will still be the same. So after this recap on area and rectangles, you're ready to watch the next video in this lesson.